morning from the Boardwalk. It is Saturday, December 5th. It is our last full day at Walt Disney World. If you can see behind me, my son is in the bathtub. Say hi.
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 I'm naked.
He's naked in the bathtub, but we can't see that. We're not showing that, right?
Yeah.
No naked videos on YouTube. So today is our last full day at Walt Disney World. We are going to Magic Kingdom later today, and I'm going to go right now and do the DVC tour at Boardwalk. And then if this little one over here can get ready, we are going to go to the community hall, maybe do some arts and crafts, check that out before heading to the Magic Kingdom later today. Really, we did everything. I think the only two things we didn't do at Magic Kingdom were Peter Pan and It's a Small World. Maybe we'll do that today. He loves It's a Small World. Peter Pan, I know it's a classic, but he kind of, it's you know, if we do it, great. If we don't, it's not a big deal. So, you know, I think for him at this age, everything is as fast. The roller coasters, all the mountains. He can't do.
In Magic Kingdom, it's the Tower of Terror.
No, there's no Tower of Terror at Magic Kingdom. That's at Hollywood Studios. We'll be doing that tomorrow.
Why?
But we'll get to do Splash Mountain maybe, and Big Thunder Mountain, and Mine Train. So, and we also have dinner reservations at Cinderella's Royal Table, so we'll be going there. But right now I'm going to head over to the Boardwalk to the DVC tour and just kind of check that out and show you what that's all about, because now they're doing more open houses at the resorts, and then hopefully head over to the community hall. So join us. So it's 10:30 a.m. and this kind of gives you, this is pretty much the crowd level on the Boardwalk. It's not empty, definitely busier than it was in July, but it's just, it's steady, but it's not as busy as it normally is. So Sundries inside is closed, but the screen door general store is open. And where we are headed is right over here past Big River is where the DVC rooms and model rooms are and the tour. So that's where we're gonna go right now. Disney Vacation Club, your castle awaits. So you were saying that all the models, everything except Old Key West has a model villa open?
Correct.
And they're all open till 8 except for Saratoga.
Saratoga Springs, which is open until 5:30.
5:30. So you can pretty much see a model villa at any of the resorts except for Old Key West. Oh, that's fantastic. And then as an added little gift, I got a little lithograph, which will go in my son's room. So this is the 2-bedroom lock-off. And you're fine. And you can kind of see how different our room is, because we have the corner room and this would be the living room here. And this is the studio portion. So this is what we normally stay in. We are booked for March. And that is the little Murphy bed, queen bed, and a pull-out. And here you have the little kitchenette, the bathroom, the closet, me, and this is the studio portion. So this would be the normal entry for the 1-bedroom. And there's the living room and the kitchen. And here's the bathroom with the shower. And here is the washer dryer. And then the bathtub. And the bedroom looks very much the same. The bedroom and walk-in closet are pretty much identical. It's just the living room that's different in ours, but still very, very spacious. So that was a lot of fun, getting to meet some of the guides and then also getting a little free gift. And yeah, so if you are looking to, you know, see some of the models, even if you aren't looking for points, you know, I think it's great because sometimes you can't really see the models. I think if we had had more time, I would have loved to have gone to see some of the models maybe at Bay Lake Tower or Kidani, because those are 2 resorts. We've only stayed in the studio at Bay Lake Tower, and we've never stayed at Kidani, and I've heard about those extra bedrooms, so I'd love to see it in person. We don't really have any more time this trip, but we're going to be back in January, so that might be something we do. But you know, definitely take advantage and you know, go see the tour if you can. And since I had time, I just figured I'd pop in here and go into the general store, since I don't have my son and he won't be telling me he wants this, he wants this, he wants this. So I can actually look in peace. And like a lot of places, all the 2020 merchandise is 70% off. And so these years are like $9, and if you have a DVC discount or annual pass holder discount, you get 20% off. So they come out to just over $7. And here you can get all your little candy, toiletries, drinks, anything you need here. We got some alcohol, face masks, a little cooler area, and a little bakery. So there is a small guest laundry on the first floor just off the elevators. So you can see guest laundry, and right around the corner is the elevators. So just in case you were staying in a studio and you need a laundry, it is right next to rooms 1068 and 1070. So I wanted to show you the convenience of our room. So this is the corner. So you can see this is the outer, this is the exit. The bus stop is just right past there. So this is the corner. And so here we go. Now if you wanted a first floor room, which normally we would request, 1121 is right on the corner. Here's the stairs. So here's the stairs. Just walk up the stairs. And here's the stairs. Here's our level. Gonna open up here. There's 2121. And then here's our room, which is 2123. So super convenient if you don't mind taking the stairs. Also, if you go all the way down the hall, there's a staircase down there, and that leaves you pretty much to the walkway of Hollywood Studios. So it's very, very convenient. Being on this end of the building is very convenient if you have a Hollywood Studios intensive trip. So we just left our room. That's the stairwell, and then there's also an exit right out to the quiet pool and the community hall. So Ryder, where are we gonna go?
They do some art and crafts.
Yes, we are going to head over to the community hall over here and hopefully do some arts and crafts. So again, great location. That's the little walkway to Hollywood Studios. So I really love this location, and it's standard points, which means it's super frugal. So standard view wins in my book over here. The location's great. Unless you need the elevator. If you need an elevator, probably not the best. But other than that, it's great. And here are some of the movies that are playing right now. The community hall, and it's open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And here is the community hall. And some people, you can do some arts and crafts over here. Ryder's looking over at the games. And we've got some pinball. And it looks like they're playing Mulan. So here are some magnets that you can do. And then the ceramics, she did say that they need to, I guess, fire them. So it takes 2 to 3 days. So if you're checking out, we're checking out tomorrow. So if you're checking out, they don't recommend doing ceramics if you are checking out within 2 to 3 days. So probably we'll skip the ceramics, but I think Ryder just wants to color. So Ryder's gonna color. We got some crayons.
I'm gonna open it.
I'm gonna open it for you now. So I'm gonna do some painting of some magnets, and then Ryder's found a pinball too. He's never played pinball much before, but looks like he's enjoying it. So Ryder's playing this little dragon game, and I'm the one doing arts and crafts. But he's having a good time. So there is a downside about the community hall. He didn't want to leave. He was having fun playing the game, and we have to get ready to go to Magic Kingdom. And what's wrong, Ryder?
I want to play that game.
Yeah. So, downside of the community hall is it can be challenging sometimes to leave. So I realized when I was editing this video that I didn't do an outro. So I just I'm filming something else. So I figured I just kind of record an outro for this video. I decided to split up this day 7 in the kind of exploring Boardwalk. And then when we go to Magic Kingdom, because Magic Kingdom video ended up being about 15 minutes. So I decided to split them up. But if you do go to any of the DVC resorts, what they're doing right now is a lot of them are doing tours on site. So they have Boardwalk always had a tour that you could do the room tour Riviera, but a lot of the resorts that didn't are now have them, and they've kind of blocked off a couple rooms. So they're basically kind of changed up how they're doing DVC tours. So, you know, definitely if you have the opportunity to go explore, you can probably get a little free gift. We got a free gift, so hopefully you guys can get a free gift as well. But it really gives you an idea, even if you're not looking to purchase new points, it gives you an idea of what rooms look like, because you can do all the room tours that you want on YouTube, but really until you're there and you see the rooms in person, you kind of really get a feel for what the rooms feel like. Like, I really had never seen a 2-bedroom. I'd been in a 1-bedroom and I'd been in a studio, but even though it's a lock off, it definitely gives you a different feel. So I definitely encourage that if you're on site, and you have the time to go to one of the DVC preview centers and take a look, and then just talk to one of the guides. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye.